In this chapter, we're going to learn about finances and we're going to start with percents, okay? Percents mean per hundred, okay? So if we take and we divide the numerator by the denominator and we multiply what we get by 100, which we can also do by moving the decimal 2 places to the right and add a percent sign, we'll have the answer. So let's try one. Okay, they want us to express 5/8 as a percent. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 and we're going to divide it by 8. When we do, we get 0.625. Now this is written as a decimal and we want to write it as a percent. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply it by 100, okay? Or what I like to do is just move the decimal 2 times to the right. This would be 62.5%. You can kind of think of it as 60 cent, 0.60 would be 60%. You're always moving it twice. Now let's go the other direction. If we want a decimal, and we want to write it as a percent instead of a fraction, we just move the decimal 2 places to the right. So in the last example, we start with a fraction. This time, we're getting one step closer before we even begin. We're starting with a decimal. Okay, so we're going to move the decimal and then put a percent sign. So on this one, if we want to express 0.47 as a percent, we take this, we move it twice to the right, and we have 47%. We have to add that percent sign. Okay, now let's express a percent as a decimal. So we're starting with a percent and we're going back to a decimal. So we have to move it 2 places to the left and we have to remove the percent sign. So if I have 19%, okay, my decimal is here. I need to move it back, and that is going to turn into 0.19, okay? On this one, when I move this one back twice, I end up with 1.8. And remember, we drop the percent sign when we change it back to a decimal.